All right, so here we go. So right now I will show you the crystal clear proof. So I was just looking at my post over here. So if I go over here, then you can see like I initially I like when I'm checking I got something like 18 upvotes, but like it dropped down to 13. I did not have checked, but I just checked the last time 18 upvotes. So like it was like 1 hour ago. Okay, so what just happened? So I just checked it 13, and then I open it back on the new tab. Then it's dropped down to 11. Okay, as you can see. All right, no matter. That's not the case. Sorry. Okay, so now over here is total to 10. Now over here is to 9. Okay, it's the same 9. Okay, now let's go to 8. As you can see, now let's go to 7. Now it's 6. Now it's 5. And still now 5 over here in this one section. Okay, so if I just refresh my page, let's see, still is that guy is downvoting me or not? No, he just stopped me over here on the 5. That's cool though. Anyways, all right. So I don't know why he's targeting me. I don't know whether he or she would. I don't know. Whosoever is like, don't you just doing a gate, man. So I will just stop posting my work over here. Then I feel, guys, if you look at over here, like it took a very lot of time to post this thing, and I got a lots of good. Lots of love from you guys. Like this, like great explanation. Thank you for the clear explanation, and thanks for the great explanation. Kudos to your work. And so it's like, uh, now I'm thinking like, okay, it's better to stop posting my work because it's taking a lot of time, and this guy is always doing this thing. So it is last time it happened was yesterday. That was 27th of January. Okay, and when I upload my complaint to lead code, let's see. Go over here on the discuss section, and if I go to the support and feedback section, okay, so here's my complaint. So I just posted a complaint on 23rd January. Okay, so it's been 5 days, still lead code. You guys have to do something, man, seriously. There's so many like 22 comments, like people are saying like, yeah, we are not even liking the same thing, but I don't know. I don't know what like lead code will take action or not, but seriously, I don't know why he's targeting me. I don't know. Anyways, so all right. So thank you. I hope you like what the video, not video. Like please lead code. It's a humble request. If you are watching this video, please lead code. Please, it's a humble request. Do something, please. Thank you very much.